Question number 26. Needles N1, N2, N3 are made of ferromagnetic substance, paramagnetic substance and diamagnetic substance respectively. A magnet when brought close to them will attract all three of them, attracts N1 and N2 strongly but repel N3, attracts N1 strongly, N2 weakly and repel N3 weakly, attracts N1 strongly but N2, N3 weakly. Now dear students, we know that ferromagnetic substance attracts strongly while paramagnetic substance attract feebly, while diamagnetic magnet repels feebly. Hence option number 3 will be the correct answer. Now move to the question number 27, which states that three magnets of same length but moments m, 2m and 3m are arranged in the form of equilateral triangle with opposite poles nearer. The resultant magnetic moment of the arrangement is. Now dear students, consider the situation. This is the magnetic moment. Let this is y-axis and this is x-axis. Let this is m vector, this is 2m vector and this is 3m vector. Since their opposite poles are nearer, that means their direction will be like this. If this is N, this will be S. Since their opposite poles are nearer, that means if this is S, then this will be N. This is S, this will be N. And if this is S, this will be N. Now, just take the components. Since this is equilateral triangle, that means it will be angle of 60 degree and it will be also 60 degree. Then what will be mx? Mx will be equal to how much? This will be m vector minus mi cap plus of this component in x direction will be, this angle is 60 degree, that means this will be also 60 degree. That will be 2m into cos 60 I cap plus, here this will be 3m cos 60 I cap. Hence it will be minus mi cap. This will be plus 2m cos 60, that means 2m into m by 2, 1 by 2, that means mi cap plus 3m by 2 I cap, that will be equal to 3m by 2 I cap. Now my will be equal to, my will be this component and this component will be downward and here this component will be upward. That means it will be 3m sin 60 j cap minus 2m sin 60 j cap, and it will be equal to 3m root 3 by 2 into 2m root 3 by 2. This will be 3m root 3 by 2 minus 2m root 3 by 2 and times j cap, and it will be equal to 3m minus 2m, that means m root 3 by 2 j cap. Since these are the vectors along x and y axis, then m vector will be equal to mx vector plus my vector, and it will be equal to 3m by 2 times I cap plus m root 3 by 2 times j cap, and after solving we will get magnitude of m, that will be equal to root 3m. Hence option number 3 will be the correct answer. Now move to the question number 28, which states that, dear students, when all the molecules in a magnet arrange themselves in direction of magnetic field, this condition is called as saturation. Hence option number 2 will be the correct answer. Now move to the question number 29, which states that a bar magnet of magnetic moment 4 ampere meter square is free to rotate about the vertical axis passing through its center. The magnet is released from rest from east-west position. Then kinetic energy of the magnet as it takes north-south position is Bh is given as 20 microtesla. Now dear student, consider the situation. Initially this is east-west position and finally it is north-south position. Now magnet is rotating from this to this. That means initially direction theta is 0 degree and finally theta is 90 degree. Now we know that from work energy theorem, final kinetic energy minus initial kinetic energy, that will be equal to change in potential energy, and it will be equal to minus of u final minus u initial, and it will be equal to minus of u final, that means this will be 0 because here finally it is 90 degree, mb cos 90 minus of mb cos 0 degree, and it will be equal to mb, and it will be equal to, and after putting the value, m is 4 ampere meter square and b is 20 to 10 to raised power minus 6, that is 20 microtesla, and it will gives us 80 microjoule. Hence k final will be equal to 80 microjoule because here k initial is 0. Hence option number 1 will be the correct answer. Now move to the question number 30, which states that two magnets of magnetic moment m and root 3m are joined to form a cross. The combination is suspended freely in a uniform magnetic field in a stable equilibrium position. The angle between the magnetic moment m and the field is. Now dear student, we know that here let this is m vector and this is root 3m vector. Here their resultant will be in this direction. This will be the m net vector. Now if this is at equilibrium position, that is stable equilibrium, that means b will be along this direction. Now this angle is to be found. Now from the trigonometry, tan theta will be equal to root 3m divided by m, and it will be equal to root 3. From here theta will be equal to 60 degree. That means angle between field and m vector is 60 degree. Hence option number 3 will be the correct answer. Now move to the question number 31.